ਸੋ ਹੈਲੋ ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਜੇਈ ਮੇਨ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਇੱਕ ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ। ਸੀਰੀਜ਼ ਹੁਣ ਉਹ ਪੂਰੇ ਸਾਲ ਚੱਲੂਗੀ। ਪੂਰੇ ਸਾਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਕਰੀ ਚੱਲਾਂਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਸੋ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਲਾਸ 11 ਦਾ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟਡ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਟੌਪਿਕ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਉਹ ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਆ। ਕੰਪਲੈਕਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਪਿਛਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵੀ ਕਲਾਸ ਨਾਲ ਰਿਲੇਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੇਗਾ ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਮੋਸਟ ਆਫ ਦੀ ਸਟੂਡੈਂਟ ਹੈਵ no idea about complex number. What is complex number? So what are the value of complex number? What are going to be in this chapter? This chapter is purely an imaginary value based chapter. You don't have a real, or if you have a real value then you have and also an imaginary value. So you have to convert an imaginary value into a real value. So from I am doing mathematics from R.D. Sharma book, ठीक है। सो टोटली वट इज आयोटा। तो आप ज़्यादा टाइम ना खराब करते हुए आप अपने टॉपिक वालों बढ़ते हैं। वट इज आयोटा? आयोटा की या आयोटा की जरूरत की पई? आयोटा इज एन इमेजिनरी वैल्यू, एंड इट्स मैथमेटिकल वैल्यू इज √-1. If you have a value in root but the value's magnitude is in negative part, you have to make it equal to iota. So iota is an imaginary value for this function. F of x is equals to -√x is equals to iota. So these three things are common. ठीक है जी। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟੋਟਲੀ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਹੋਣਗੇ ਉਹ ਬੇਸਡ ਔਨ ਆਇਓਟਾ ਹੋਣਗੇ। ਯੂ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਸੋਲਵ ਦੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਵਿਦ ਦੀ ਹੈਲਪ ਆਫ ਐਨ ਆਇਓਟਾ। ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਆਇਓਟਾ ਆਇਆ ਕਿਉਂ, ਆਇਓਟਾ ਲਿਆ ਕਿਉਂ ਗਿਆ? ਟੂ ਇਲੈਬੋਰੇਟ -√ values. If you got any kind of value in root but it is in minus form, you have to convert it in iota. So this is all about the concept of iota. Iota ਨੂੰ solve ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ solve ਹੋ? -√1 is equals to iota. Iota square will be -1. Iota raised to power 3 will be minus iota, minus of iota, and iota raised to power 4 will be 1. If you have any kind of value in iota, you have to remember these 4 values. So these 4 values help to solve your all questions. Like in exercise 5.1 from modern and 16 point something exercise from RD, you are going to solve with this method. So you have to convert iota in the form of iota raised to power 4 and rest iota will be as it is. So like एक दो questions करांगे ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ better understanding होएगी कितना ਆਪਾਂ कोई भी topic ਨੂੰ convert करना, ठीक है। So most of the topic I am going to elaborate in iota raised to power 4 because if we convert iota's power by splitting the power in iota raised to power 4, you are going to be a real value that is 1 only and the value will be very helpful for you guys, ठीक है। so ज़्यादा टाइम ना करो तो ਆਪਾਂ अपने क्वेश्चंस वालों बातें हैं। लाइक अपने क्वेश्चंस कितना दे होंगे अपने क्वेश्चंस ऐदा दे होंगे कुछ। Solve these questions. First, iota raised to power 365. Second, iota raised to power 256. Third, iota raised to power 5 plus iota raised to power 6 plus iota raised to power 7 plus iota raised to power 49 will be equals to 4. Iota raised to power 576. If iota raised to power 2n where n belongs to a natural number, ठीक है जी। सो वन बाय वन मैं क्वेश्चंस ਨੂੰ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰੂੰਗਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਸ ਮੈਥਡ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਜਾਣਾ। So firstly, first question, solution of first question. Iota raised to power 365. Divide 365 into 4. 365 divided by 4. 9 4s are 36, and you have 5 left, and this will be 1 4, remainder will be 1. Split in the power. Iota raised to power 4 raised to power 91 into iota raised to power. Any kind of doubt up till this? Because this is going to 4 into 91, that will be 364 into फिर 1, so that will let to form 365. So this will be 1 raised to power 91 into iota raised to power 1. This will be 1 into iota raised to power 1. So solution of this question will be iota only. Okay. I hope you got this point. So second question will be iota raised to power 256. Again with Foley method. 256 divided by 4, 6, 24, 1, 6. So this will be 4, 16. Iota raised to power 4 raised to power 64. So this will be 1 raised to power 64 will be equals to 1 and 2. Third question, iota raised to power 5. So you can simply write it as iota plus iota square plus iota cube plus 49 हो गई डिवाइड कर लो 49 4 पे 1 9 2 पे 8 1. So this will let to form iota raised to power 4 raised to power 12 into iota. So this will be iota plus iota square plus iota cube plus iota. So this will be iota minus 1 minus iota plus iota. This will cancel out and you will left with iota minus 1. So solution of this question is iota minus 1. This is the answer of this question. Okay, fourth question, again same method you have to use. You have to use again same method. You have to again use this method. Iota raised to power 576. Divide 576 by 4. 1 4 1 7 4 16 1 6 6 16 sorry 4 sorry 1 4 4. This will cancel out and this will let to form iota raised to power 4 raised to power 144. 1 raised to power 144. Answer will be 1. Okay, so these are simple questions you are having in your exercise 1. So these questions are quite easy and you can easily solve by using factor of 4. Okay, so next question is tricky, something about tricky. You have iota raised to power 2n and n will belongs to a natural number. So natural number 1 to 9. Put any kind of value, any value you can find. Like I am supposed to put it as 5. Iota raised to power 2 into 5. So it will be iota raised to power 10. If this is iota raised to power 10, iota raised to power 4 raised to power 2, 8 and iota square. So this will let to form 1 into iota square. So we will left with minus 1 as an answer. Okay, so this is all about exercise 1 of complex number. You can solve by your own self, and if you need any kind of help, if you are having any kind of doubt in this exercise, you can simply type the question or click a photo of the question and upload to the comment box. I will definitely answer your query as soon as possible. So this is all about the exercise 1 of complex number. I hope these topics are clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day to all.